Approximately one-third of our valuation is related to electric cars, EVs, and their scaling, as well as Turkey, a plant there, as you indicated. Because this is the new world, a lot of nations do want a Tesla plant. That's fantastic to hear. Everything is going well. Then, autonomous and autonomous taxi platforms account for two-thirds of our valuation. Here in the United States, we believe Tesla is in the lead. It has more corner cases and is likely to be the firm that gets people from point A to point B as fast and safely as possible, since it has gathered more data on our roads and, in fact, other roads around the world than all the other companies combined. Because regulators are very data-driven, the risks are decreasing. In the transportation sector, for example, the number of auto deaths in the United States has increased over the last 5 to 10 years, from 30,000 to 45,000, after declining for decades at the hands of auto safety measures. Economic weakness. I would say that there has been some reaction and a pause, because as GM and Ford have stated, wait a minute, we're going to take a pause here ourselves, because we can't do this profitably. It's good for Tesla, by the way, that the competition is doing this and that Tesla is just moving forward at full speed. I do believe that economics plays a role, and you can make all these other reasons, but what will happen if that's the case? Because of Tesla's revolutionary block production procedures and technology, as well as artificial intelligence, AI, we estimate that the average electric vehicle's cost will be halved within the next 5 years, which is our investment time horizon. Let's speak with ARK Invest founder Cathie Wood for a moment. Cathie shares her convincing reasons for investing in Tesla stock like never before in this video. Cathie covers everything in this engrossing conversation, from breaking down stock selling tactics to revealing the unrealized possibilities in Tesla's diverse ecosystem. Therefore, you're in the ideal place if you want to improve your investment skills and obtain a competitive advantage in the market. Come along with us as we explore the fascinating world of Tesla and discover why Cathie Wood has a large stake in the company. This isn't your typical stock chat, so buckle up, people. Prepare to learn the trade secrets of the professionals who purchase as much Tesla stock as they can. Please remember to tick the like and subscribe buttons before we continue. Let's get this video started. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. The real action begins now. How do you handle your cash flow, and when do you press the sell button? It is an important act of balance. You see, Cathie claims that just as things were reaching their zenith in 2021, ARK stock began to decline below their anticipated returns. Instead of lingering, they auctioned off the items that weren't suitable. Consider Nvidia as an example. The AI chip game is big, isn't it? ARK had been on that train from the start, but they cashed out as the market took off. Why? Nvidia was the obvious choice for everyone who wanted to participate in the AI action. However, Cathie and her group aren't interested in being cautious. They concentrated on their top choices and reduced the size of their portfolio. Disciplined selling, then, is their strategy. Let's speak about technology, shall we? The best of the best are Cathie's analysts. They are masters as well as industry specialists, because technology isn't limited to a single industry in today's society. Consider Tesla. It's an entire tech environment on wheels, not just a car. Who knows? Elon is all about that vertical integration. In the future, he might actually challenge Apple. It all comes down to knowing the game and playing it well. Here's another pearl of Cathie's wisdom. This too shall pass. Do you recall that one? Having the correct information is like having a crystal ball when it comes to investing. That's your ticket to the big bucks if you have the numbers to prove it, even while everyone else is freaking out over inflation. Folks, it all comes down to following the data. Have faith in Cathie, it will ultimately pay off. Let's now discuss Tesla in more detail. Investors in Tesla have had a difficult time recently as the price has plummeted, down a staggering 29% in 2024. Wait a minute though, is there a bright side? Folio co-founder Landon Swan, however, has some intriguing information to provide. A few weeks ago, Landon's team actually sent out a bullish notice to its hedge fund customers in spite of the depressing headlines. They have observed a discrepancy between the performance of the stock and the underlying data. Indeed, following their most recent report, Tesla saw a 12% decline, mostly as a result of higher expenses and unclear outlook. Indeed, there has been some commotion in the EV market as major businesses like Hertz are moving away from EVs while hybrids are becoming more popular. The worst part is that, based on the data, the majority of Tesla's automobiles are still in good condition. Consider the Model Y as an example. With its stealth styling, remarkable range, and cutting-edge technologies, this crossover SUV has been a remarkable performance for Tesla. It has exceeded all expectations and is already among the best-selling electric cars in its class, despite the high expectations. Then there is the much-awaited Tesla truck, which has caused a stir in the car sector. Even if deliveries are still in their infancy, competitors have been alarmed by the mere prospect of them. As a result of Tesla's calculated price changes, competitors such as Ford have been compelled to reconsider their pricing policies and lower their prices in order to stay competitive in the quickly changing electric car industry. This intense rivalry highlights Tesla's unparalleled status as a pioneer in the automobile industry, propelling innovation and pushing limits like never before. The intriguing part, though, is that although Tesla's price is plummeting, its online presence is booming. Both website traffic and Tesla-related mentions are increasing. That's a good sign. What does Landon think, then? He is, in fact, long-term optimistic about Tesla. He is not allowing his emotions to influence his decision-making. He is obsessed with the data, and he thinks it looks pretty damn nice. Could this be the moment to purchase the dip? Landon surely believes so. It all comes down to staying ahead of the curve. And with Tesla, things can go more smoothly than you anticipate. What if I told you that Cathie is much more than just an electric car enthusiast? Consider it. Although EVs play a significant role in their company's strategy, have you looked at their portfolio of ventures and future plans? My friend, it's a completely different ballgame. Looking beyond automobiles, Tesla's Megapack is revolutionary. It is evident that Tesla is more than just a car firm, since estimates suggest it may overtake auto sales by the mid-2030s or possibly earlier. It is a major source of energy. However, that is only the beginning. Tesla's portfolio is as varied as it is groundbreaking, ranging from the inventive Powerwall to the wide variety of charging stations, not to mention its venture into robotics, robotaxis, and the expansive gigafactories. This broad vision highlights Tesla's unwavering commitment to innovation on several fronts, securing its place as a pioneer in influencing the direction of energy and transportation in the future. Elon Musk is not merely playing in the EV sandbox. He is putting pressure on rivals until Tesla is the only company left standing. The China puzzle comes next. They may oversupply the whole market with automobiles due to their enormous output. It's a calculated action with broad ramifications. The worst part is that Tesla is about more than just automobiles. Their armament consists of 4 or 5 outstanding companies. Even without the automobiles, this innovative powerhouse remains. The original length and meaning have been preserved, while any grammatical problems have been corrected. Please let me know if you want any other adjustments.